Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to be with you again. Thank you for joining. I'm often asked, why establish another financial services and healthcare consultancy? Well, the answer is quite simple. Product providers continue to innovate and develop more complex products. But unfortunately, financial and healthcare advisors have not kept up with the innovation space of product providers. The siloed, disjointed approach results in over-insurance in one area and under-insurance in another. So the big question is, how do you optimize your insurance spend? How do you spend smartly, not necessarily more, when different advisors strive to maximize your spend on single needs? The phoenix in Greek mythology is an immortal bird associated with the sun. The phoenix obtains new life by arising from the ashes, signifying rebirth and renewal. In the spirit of renew and rebirth, we at Phoenix developed an innovative program and system to help our clients arise, to renew commitments and achieve dreams, goals and ambitions, ultimately improving the quality of life. So how do we achieve better financial and healthcare outcomes for our clients? Phoenix is a South African empowered, genuinely independent advisory firm, contracted to over 70 blue-chip product providers. Our operating platform and administration systems provide a 360 comprehensive view of our clients' financial, healthcare and fiduciary portfolios. The logic is undeniable. For example, suppose you change a dependent on your medical aid via Phoenix. Our systems triggers an alert that other aspects of your financial plan must be reviewed, like your life cover, group life cover, and investment beneficiaries. What about your last will? In another example, imagine being hospitalized due to a motor vehicle accident. Who will help with hospital pre-authorization, medical scheme and gap cover claims? And what about vehicle claim and repairs? You need a one-stop shop solution, one consultancy that can support, administer and consult on your entire portfolio. In today's demanding times, the siloed, disjointed approach is simply outdated. Another important question, why must advisors earn 100% on all products? Phoenix offers integration rebates. In other words, the more products you have via us, the less commission you pay. Let Phoenix help you rise to new heights. Let us simplify, organize, and optimize your financial planning and healthcare portfolio. I recommend you watch our episode on the Phoenix Digital Estate File. Until next time, take care and thank you for your ongoing support.